What's up, y'all? Quick one today. I just did some welding practice. I'm getting a little bit better at the 6011 1/8" rods. Um, we use like a stepping, or like some people call it whip and pause method. I think what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go back to the 7018s because I haven't done those in a couple days, and just kind of like uh, get a feel for those now that like I have a bit more experience just with the 6011, like twice as much experience if you think about it, because like I did the 7018 for probably like just a couple days, and then I switched to the 6011, and with the 6011 I really have felt like I've kind of gotten a little bit better of a handle on it, and like I found the amperage, and just kind of gotten a feel for it. So I'm excited to move back to the 7018 with what I've learned. Yeah, just slowly learning. And I think what I'm gonna do is this thing that I was gonna turn into a steel forge. It's like a barbecue. I think what I'm gonna do, because I've got the acetylene torch, I don't know if I need a whole forge right now. I can just hit something with the acetylene torch, or like set up the acetylene torch in like a vise, and then put what they call like a rosebud head on it, and it's like a blowtorch, like really serious head on it, and that will do just fine with like steel or iron or anything. So I think I'm going to turn that into a composter, like a composter that turns. I've had a couple ideas. Eventually, I'd like to put it on like a slow turning like solar motor or something like that. For right now, I'm probably going to make it like a simple, like something on a bearing, and then like I could put it on a bike chain, so there's more leverage, and then put like a little easy to turn, like high RPM, uh, low torque, if I can get it to like if I put a big gear on the body of it, and then I put a little tiny gear on the other motor, then I can just, it won't suck much power because it won't need like heavy RPMs. But yeah, I'm gonna make some dinner. Peace, y'all.